How you doing, guys? This is Jules. Welcome one more time to the channel. But if this is your first time stopping by, go ahead, subscribe, hit that like button, also click the bell notification so that way you know when we got new videos out there. Okay, so we're going to be removing some screws right now. This is a 24 inches shaker, and the manufacturer sent it with a 110 bolt instead of 220. So it's not recommended to be using 110 shakers, 24 inches, because they consume too much power. So, for example, at 220, you can use 20 amps or 30 amps to power these machines, but 110, you will need to use the double. So we're talking about 40 amps, almost 50 amps to power these. So it's something that you can do, and there's no issue with that. The thing is that the connectivity to make it in your home or maybe in your business is going to be a little bit more complicated. This machine is better to be 220, at least the 24 inches or bigger. So if we're talking about maybe a mini shaker that is 13 inches, and also even the printer, the DTF printer is 24 inches, you can use it 110 volts. That there's not going to be issue any with that because it doesn't consume that too many power. But when you have a 24 inches or bigger shaker, of course, it's going to consume more power, so it's recommend always to be 220, and it's more easy and more stable to make that type of connection on your business or at your home. So I'm going to, as you can see, this video is a speed up. So if not, that way it could be like almost an hour that I took to, to change all these, just taking it slow with me. But I just showing you here the step, at least with this type of shaker. If you have one or you have similar shakers, so you can do it this way. Don't be afraid. Just when you take it apart, everything, just take picture. How is everything at the moment? Take videos and all of that. So when you start disconnecting stuff around, and when you go to put back again, you know how to do it correctly. So just keep those videos and those pictures for your reference. And when you're done everything, just test your machine and you should be good. Okay. So from this point, just enjoy the video, guys. Again, is a speed up. So that way you can see the entire process.